Cities are exciting places. They buzz with energy and activity, but sometimes we miss the calming presence of nature. Imagine a world where cities and nature are intertwined, where green spaces are not just parks, but woven into the fabric of urban life. This is the vision of biophilic cities, cities that embrace nature. One way to achieve this is through rooftop gardens. These gardens bring nature to unexpected places, transforming barren rooftops into vibrant ecosystems. Imagine stepping out of your apartment and into a lush garden high above the city streets. Rooftop gardens are essentially gardens on rooftops. They can be as small as a balcony or as large as a city block. These green spaces offer a welcome respite from the hustle and bustle of city life. Rooftop gardens come in many forms. Some feature vegetable patches, providing fresh food for city dwellers. Others create tranquil spaces for relaxation and contemplation. The design possibilities are endless. Imagine lush rooftop meadows with wildflowers attracting bees and butterflies. Picture rooftop forests, creating a canopy of green above the city. These gardens can transform rooftops into beautiful, functional spaces. Creating a rooftop garden is an exciting endeavor. It begins with careful planning and design. First, we must consider the weight the roof can support. Then, we choose plants that thrive in the city's climate and the rooftop's sun exposure. We can create different zones within the garden, some sunny, some shaded. Pathways, seating areas, and even water features can be incorporated. The key is to create a harmonious blend of nature and design. Section 4. The rewards of rooftop gardens. The benefits of rooftop gardens are numerous. They help to combat the urban heat island effect, making cities cooler. They improve air quality by absorbing pollutants and releasing oxygen. Rooftop gardens also provide habitats for birds, butterflies, and other wildlife. But the benefits extend beyond the environment. Rooftop gardens offer a place for people to connect with nature, reducing stress and promoting well-being. They foster a sense of community as residents come together to garden and socialize. Section 5. Bringing nature to our cities. Imagine a future where cities are filled with rooftop gardens. Buildings are adorned with cascading vines and blooming flowers. Birdsong fills the air and butterflies dance among the rooftops. This is not just a dream, but a possible future. By embracing biophilic design and incorporating nature into our cities, we can create healthier, happier, and more sustainable urban environments for all.